Kahapon sa Behind the Clash, nalaman natin ang saloobin ni Bev Solero sa kinahantungan ng kanyang Clash Teens journey at nasaksihan natin ang muling pagsasama-sama ng miyembro ng bawat grupo para sa isang masayang recording session. Ngayong hapon, kilig overload naman ang emosyon na ipaparamdam sa atin ng mga teen clashers mula sa Blazing Gen Z at silipin natin kung ano nga ba ang nangyari sa kanilang recording session. Sabay-sabay tayong kiligin. Sabay-sabay natin yan tutukan dito sa Behind the Clash.
What's up, guys? It's me, Katie.
And I am Ethan.
And we are from Blazing Gen Z. Actually, we're very overwhelmed right now because we're the last two. And we're actually really proud of our members because they managed to get on top, but also we're really mad because we're the only ones left on those chairs. How do you feel?
Siyempre, kabado. Nahihimatay na nga ako eh. Tapos, isa pa, nosebleed na ako sa English mo.
Talaga?
Yes. Actually guys, kabado talaga ako sa wala pa akong alam if anong mangyayari sa amin ngayon. But, yeah, we're ready naman. So, dalawa na lang tayo. So, sino ba yung mauna?
Well, you wanna let fate decide?
May coin ako dito. So, let's go. So,
It's heads, it's heads. I guess you're going first.
ako ngayong mauuna guys. So, abangan nyo ulit.
But we're always talaga. And we're gonna set the stage blazing on fire.
Yeah.
Ethan! Tara na dito! Grabe, nakakatuwa naman yung
Ay, Ethan! Alam mo,
Nakakatuwa yung video, ah.
sinasabi ko nga kanina, sabi ko, alam mo, parang may chemistry kayong dalawa.
Oo, pinilig yung mga
Alam mo eh, no? Bago na issue, wow, okay. Guys, taas kamay sa mga talagang natuwa sa performance niya. Yeah! Kasi sa akin, pinaka nagmamatter talaga is yung charm ng isang performer. Yung tipong gusto kitang panoorin ulit, napangiti mo kaming lahat, napangiti mo siya. Kung nag-concert ka, bibilin ko yung ticket. At bibilin niya. Manonood siya. Joke lang. Nag-on the spot.
Ayun no, kasi isipin niyo, kuya. Parang ang ganda ng ngiti niya. Kitang-kita yung dimples niya. Parang pag ngumiti siya. Norway.
One, two, go.
One, two. Talikod mo na, talikod.
Tara guys, doon na lang tayo sa hallway. Tara, pakitaan nyo kayo paano magpakita ng aura. Go!
Umpisa lang ng season naging tampulan na ng tukso sina Ethan at Katie. Hala, teen clashers, young love yan.
style, pero ang melody it should be the same. So communicate.
1, 2, 3. Mangarap ka, sige laban pa. Huwag kang papipigil, huwag na huwag titigil. Mangarap ka, sige laban pa. Taas noo, oras mo to, iparinig ang tinig sa buong mundo. Alright. Thank you.
Hello po! Tapos na ako magkanta. Hello po.
Si Kuya. Sa banyo. Narinig ko.
Ano, kakanta ba ako?
Oo, di sasayaw ka daw.
Sige nga, pagbigyan nyo kayo.
Hindi. Una hotspot show. Copy. Ay, wala.
Wala akong load eh. Download ko. Kahit saan Kahit kailan, kahit anong bagyo pa man ang dumaan, ikaw pa rin pupuntahan. Ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Mahal, ikaw ang uuwian. Yun. Sino daw uwi?
Yay! Galing!
Sino daw yan? Imong Biblabs.
Hindi, langga. Langga ang tawag. Langga. Ano yung langga? Baby. Langga ba? Love ang langga. Mahal lang. Baby ba yun?
Yeah, it's like that. Parang ganyan nga.
Jerry.
Ang huling spot ay mapupunta kay Donald.
Katie, thank you so much for joining the Clash Teens. We're so very proud of you.
Ethan, maraming
Basta
salamat.
pagpatuloy mo lang.
Pagpatuloy mo, napakasaya mo panoorin. At magaling ka. Yun ang lagi mo tatandaan.
I wasn't expecting na ganito po yung mangyayari. So, I am very sad right now po. Pero okay lang po. Because I was enjoying po perform sa pa stage po. I feel very happy po and satisfied because I did not thought na mag-i-enjoy sila sa kanta ko po and sa performance po.
I think I'm a bit, like, of course not happy that I failed, but I'm happy that I got to be a part of the Clash Teens. Of course, I'm very happy of that. It's already a big opportunity that I was part of the top 24. And deep down, I know those top 12s really deserve that spot.
Nung dumating na po yung araw na mag-audition na po kami, naku, sobrang kaba ko doon. Nahihimatay talaga ako pag nakakabahan ako. Sinabihan ako ng mother ko na, congrats na, nakuha ka sa The Clash Teens. Tapos, nung una, di ako naniniwala sa kanya. Kasi akala ko, joke lang yun, paano. Pinakita niya sa akin yung email, tapos, nako, tumalon talaga ako sa tinapon ko yung bag ko sa bangko.
I should be so happy. This is Katie Kalian Dapat. I think po, that year was when I lost my grandmother. So we wanted to step out of my comfort zone and to try new things po. The reason why I'm even here in the first place was because of her. I just wish I did it sooner or earlier before she passed because I really was really shy before, but when she died, I was like, okay, I have to take this risk now. I have to go out my comfort zone and follow what she wants me to do.
Nagplano kami ni mother na magpabook kami, pupunta kami sa Manila. Even though hindi pa ako masyadong magaling magtagalog noon is tinry ko yung best ko na magtagalog. Nako, sobrang nakakatakot yung airplane, lalo na yung paglipad. Nako, parang kukunin na ako ni Papa God noon. Nung nalaman ko po na isa akong nakapasok sa top 24, nako, para akong tumalon na sa moon. Sa sobrang saya ko po. Wala pa akong close noon. Nung makalipas yung ilang araw, tumagal kami dito is na-close ko na yung mga The Clash po.
Whoa. Oh my God! You're raising up the camera, dude.
Well, I think Ako Naman Muna is very a heartfelt song for me. Ever since I was a kid, well, I always put them first, like their feelings and all that stuff, and mostly what burdens they're carrying. Kasi po, may talaga sila magkwento, of course. So anything that they tell me, I really keep it deep down inside. So I try to do my best to try and take that off them, trying to take it for me, because I'm still a child and I wanted to do it for them, but I guess it always doesn't work out. And Ako Naman Muna po is dedicated for myself because I want to be myself na po. I want to put myself first, my feelings, and what I want to go through.
Sweet siya, sweet, tas maganda siya i-perform sa stage. Alam ko naman na maraming kikiligin doon kasi parang nanliligaw, ganun po. Na-feel ko lahat ng iba-ibang emotion dito sa pagsali ko dito. Like, yeah, it's very hard.
I think being a The Clash teen really helped me. It took off all the burdens I'm thinking of because this is like what I've always wanted to do. So I'm like, I'm finally putting myself first. I'm finally being able to be happy and freely without having to think of what they have to say about me. And it really helped me talaga to heal from the things I don't really talk about. And kahit po sobrang nakakapagod, mga rehearsal, ganon, I really enjoyed it because I got to have a new experience with other people, different types of people.
Guys, if you're watching this, gusto ko lang malaman nyo na I really appreciate the time na magkasama tayo, guys. And I will miss you guys. Yeah.
Ate Violet, Ate Viel, Hannah, Kuya Inigo, I hope you guys have fun. And I hope you guys know that I love you guys very much and I really cherish the time we had. It really sucks, it really does, but I will miss you guys so much. For my family, maybe I'm sorry that I didn't get in, but I hope you guys know I tried and I hope you guys, I made you guys proud for this round, kahit ngayon lang. I did this for all of you guys, by the way.
Mother, even though wala ko nakuha, but nakita na ko gay na imo na unsa ka kalipay ma. Like, happy kay ka nakita na ko nimo nga nag-perform sa stage. And I hope na dili pa ta mag-surrenderan ni. Taas pa kayong panahon ako, ma. I love you, ma. Mwah!
Abangan bukas! Isang assignment ang gigimbal sa mga teen clashers na kailangan nilang harapin. Kung ano ito, yan ang dapat niyong tutukan kaya siguraduhin nakaabang na kayo tuwing 5:10 p.m. sa Kapuso stream at sa The Clash Teens YouTube page. This is your Clash Master, Julie Ann San Jose, and this is Behind the Clash.